Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we learn how to find the CEO's phone numbers or any kind of phone number from LinkedIn. So in my case, I want to find the phone numbers of CEOs. So you have to use the inverted comma. I want the phone numbers from UK. Type plus double four. You can use your country code, your desired country code. Then type CEO in another inverted comma. I want the SEO related person. It's in another word inverted comma. And then type the site colon linkedin.com. So here you can find I have the phone numbers. Look at here. So you can copy these phone numbers. In another video, I will tell you how to fetch and scrap all these numbers with a Chrome extension. So look, here's another one. This one. So it's the simple process. Thank you.